Welcome at Sonic Character Plus. Today, we transform popular Sonic characters into Bulldog cartoons. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Princess Sally Acorn. Transform into Bulldog. As a Bulldog, Sally Acorn looks awesome. Jet the Hawk. Transform into Bulldog. As a Bulldog, Jet the Hawk is enjoying himself on a skateboard. SBO the Chameleon. Transform into Bulldog. SBO appears remarkable as a Bulldog. Shadow the Hedgehog. Transform into Bulldog. Shadow possesses an excess of vigor and vitality to be classified as a Bulldog. Rouge the Bat. Transform into Bulldog. Silver the Hedgehog. Transform into Bulldog. Don't forget to subscribe and share thanks. Cream the Rabbit. Transform into Bulldog. Cream appears to be a cute Bulldog. Cream seems to be an adorable Bulldog. Metal Sonic. Transform into Bulldog. Metal Sonic resembles a Bulldog positioned on a hilltop. Miles Tails. Transform into Bulldog. Tails seemed remarkably energetic as a Bulldog. Vector the Crocodile. Transform into Bulldog. Supersonic. Transform into Bulldog. Bulldog Supersonic appears to be really powerful. Knuckles the Echidna. Transform into Bulldog. If you have any question, please write us in comment box. Sonic the Hedgehog. Transform into Bulldog. Hero Sonic is a super Bulldog who possesses exceptional skills. Robot Omega. Transform into Bulldog. Wow, I've never seen a metal robot Bulldog before. Big the Cat. Transform into Bulldog. Big the Cat looks like a giant Bulldog. Amy Rose the Hedgehog. Transform into Bulldog. Amy Rose looks wonderful as a Bulldog. Blaze the Cat. Transform into Bulldog. Blaze has fire powers despite the fact that she is a Bulldog. Mighty the Armadillo. Transform into Bulldog. Styx the Badger. Transform into Bulldog. Stick appears to be seriously angry as a Bulldog. Dr. Eggman. Transform into Bulldog. Eggman as a Bulldog looks fantastic because he is a dog. Thanks for watching. If you like Sonic Fun, please like and subscribe. Thanks.